Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to draw a chessboard. And like previous times, I'm going to be using a mechanical pencil. I could call this chess part 3. We're going to be drawing a chessboard. Recently I had a comment saying that they've always wanted to make their own chessboard. I was like, why not draw a chessboard? So here's your chance to draw a chessboard. Don't miss out. Watch this video to the end and draw it to the end. Let's go. So we're going to put a little dot in the middle of our paper. So this is a 1 point perspective. So that's the 1 point perspective. Now it kind of comes out. So we're going to draw a triangle. And don't draw too skinny. Like I just did. That was way too skinny. Now we're going to draw 8 lines coming out. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How about this? 8. Boom! Okay, now we're going to draw 8 across. So we're going to go 1. And on the way back, we're actually going to make it get littler. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, now we can erase everything else. Like this. Woo, now we got our chessboard. Now that one is really little, so you might want to draw it bigger, like this. My goodness, you're gonna have a huge chessboard. Then you just go 1, 2, oh, whoops. Chessboard's so big it goes off the page. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Huge chessboard. Breaking news! Ginormous chessboard. And this is just all you have to do to draw a chessboard. Remember this? And you can draw a chessboard wherever, whenever you want. It's very simple. Now we just erase this. And wowzers, we have another chessboard. Now, if you want to make that 3D or add an outline, you could draw a line like this. And voila, we've got a chessboard with an outline. We can put an outline in this one even. Put the outline really skinny at the bottom and it grows as it comes closer to the front. And it gets really big at the front. It's so easy to draw chessboards and it's really fun too. Maybe you can go back and watch my other videos on how to draw chess pieces and you can draw them on the chessboard. Wouldn't that be awesome? You have a chessboard and all the pieces in one picture. Thanks for watching, guys. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button, check out my other videos, check out my channel, and thank you for watching. Bye.